Hey there! Noticed some uninvited guests making themselves at home in your space? Yes, we're talking mold and mildew. Don't worry, you're about to become a mold-fighting superhero. Mold and mildew aren't just eyesores, they're health hazards. From allergic reactions to more severe health issues, these fungi mean business. That's why it's crucial to tackle them head-on. Mold exposure can lead to throat irritation, coughing, or even skin irritation. If you or your loved ones have asthma or allergies, or suddenly develop these problems, it's time to show mold the door, for good. Meet mold, the fuzzy invader. It loves your home's damp corners, flaunting colors like green, black, or even red. It's not just an eyesore, it's a health nemesis. And then we have mildew, the flat, powdery gatecrasher. It prefers your shower curtains and windowsills, donning a less dramatic white or gray ensemble. Mold doesn't shy away from making itself at home, burrowing into surfaces where moisture reigns. It's the uninvited guest that overstays its welcome. Mildew plays it cool, sticking to the surface. Your damp towels and shower curtains? Prime real estate for this unwelcome roommate. Mold's not just a visual party pooper. It throws your health into chaos, sparking allergies, and even hitting your respiratory system hard. Mildew might seem less daunting, but it's no less a villain. Skin irritation, eye woes? Thank mildew for those unwanted gifts. The first clue on our detective journey: look around in areas where mold and mildew might thrive. Keep those eyes peeled. Corners, the attic, the basement, under the sink. Spot it to stop it. Moisture is mold and mildew's best friend. Check the bathrooms and anywhere water loves to linger. Your home's moisture map reveals their favorite spots. Bad ventilation and leaks roll out the red carpet for our unwelcome guests. Airing out and fixing leaks can shut down their party before it starts. Mold and mildew love high humidity. Consider a dehumidifier for damp areas of your home. Never underestimate the power of fresh air and sunlight. They're natural disinfectants that help keep mold and mildew at bay. Let the sunshine in. The first step in our mold-fighting prep? Gloves. They defend against the ick and irritation. Next up is a mask. It's not a fashion statement, it's a shield against inhaling anything you shouldn't. Let's not forget to air out the room. Open those windows wide for a breath of fresh air. And if you've got a fan, now's the time to use it. It'll help keep the air moving and clear out any fumes. Vinegar isn't just for salads. For a go-to mold buster, fill a spray bottle with white vinegar. It's perfect for tackling non-porous surfaces. To kick things off, we're going straight for the vinegar. Pour it into your spray bottle. No water needed here. Vinegar is a mold-fighting champion on its own. Let that vinegar work its magic for at least an hour. Mold doesn't stand a chance. Wipe up any residue and voila! No more mold. The next warrior in our arsenal is borax. Measure out a cup. This natural mineral is a mold destroyer. Mix that cup of borax into 1 gallon of water. Stir well to dissolve. This solution means serious business. Time to scrub. This borax solution doesn't just clean, it disinfects, making your home safer and mold-free. Wipe away moldy bits and leave your surface clean and shiny. For a brightening boost against mold and mildew, this mix starts with hot water. Prepare to sparkle. Add a cup or so of hydrogen peroxide to the hot water in your sprayer. Spray it on the moldy spots. Mold's enemy is at work, brightening as it cleans. Give it an hour to work some magic, then rinse. Tea tree oil has loads of antifungal benefits. Let's begin our tea tree oil concoction by measuring out 1 cup of water. This forms the base of our mold-fighting solution. Now, introduce a teaspoon of tea tree oil to the water. A simple spray on affected areas. Leave it, no need to rinse. Let the natural antifungal properties do their thing. Time for a mildew buster. Let's measure out 1/4 cup of baking soda, the backbone of our homemade paste. Next, add just a tablespoon of water to the baking soda. This is where our mildew-fighting paste comes to life. Stir well to combine. Add more water or baking soda as needed for the consistency you want. With our paste ready, it's time to apply it to those troublesome mildew spots. Just a thin layer will do. Give it a good scrub with a soft bristled brush. Rinse off the paste to reveal a clean, mildew-free surface. Your home is now fresher and safer. For a super easy organic mildew eradicator, grab your spray bottle and listen up. First, add 1 cup of cheap vodka to the sprayer. It turns out vodka is a fierce fighter against mold and mildew. Who knew your leftover party supplies could make your bathroom sparkle? Then, we're going to add a little pizzazz with 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Because if you're going to clean, it might as well smell like a spa, right? Next, to keep things fresh and zesty, let's add 10 drops of lemon oil. It's like bringing a little bit of sunshine into your cleaning routine. Now, pour in a cup of distilled water. Trust me, it's better than tap water for this mix. It's like the difference between watching standard and high def. You want a crystal clear solution. Give it a good shake, like you're mixing a cocktail. What you've got now is a fantastic mold and mildew cleaner that's ready to tackle even the toughest spots. Spritz it on the affected areas, then sit back, relax, and let it work for about 10 minutes. When it's time, grab a clean sponge and wipe away. You'll see that mold and mildew disappear faster than my desire to work out. And just like that, no more mildew, no more mold, and your house smells like a lemon lavender dream. But wait, there's more! If you thought citrus oils were just for aromatherapy, think again. They're like the unsung heroes of the essential oil world when it comes to battling household fungi. For our next trick, we're going to mix up another easy solution. Start with 2 cups of water in a clean sprayer. Next goes 20 drops of citrus extract like lemon or orange or a mixture of the two. Your house will smell amazing. Give it a quick shake and spray mold and mildew without rinsing. The delightful scent is a bonus. Prevention solves problems before they can start. Combat moisture and keep your home comfortable by setting up a dehumidifier. It's your first line of defense in maintaining optimal humidity levels. Proper ventilation is crucial. Ensure your appliances like dryers and kitchen hoods are well vented and let fresh air circulate by opening windows. A little elbow grease in the bathroom and kitchen prevents mold growth. Focus on tiles, shower curtains, and any damp surfaces. After cleaning, make sure to dry wet areas thoroughly. Mold and mildew can't grow without moisture. Stay vigilant and regularly check for leaks under sinks and around appliances. Catching them early can save you from mold troubles. Fix leaks as soon as you find them. Simple repairs can prevent costly water damage and mold infestations. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content